This one's special. We've just brought to market an incredible 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome at Smoketree in Whistler Cay Heights. Fully renovated down to the studs in 2022 and complete with high-end finishes, this townhome has it all. Let's go check out number 25 at Smoketree. Smoketree is located in Whistler Cay Heights, which is the neighborhood just across Highway 99 from Whistler Village at the Village Gate Boulevard traffic lights. So you're really just a quick 5-minute walk from your door to the shopping, restaurants, and of course both gondolas in Whistler Village. Now this is a residentially zoned neighborhood, so don't expect to be nightly renting this property on Airbnb or VRBO. It's not zoned for nightly rentals, it's residential only. As we enter the home's main entrance, you're greeted with a large entryway with plenty of room to hang up jackets and store shoes. To your right, you've got a beautiful half bathroom, and straight ahead, you've got the fully renovated gourmet kitchen with peninsula seating. Taking a left from the kitchen, the room opens up to a large living and dining room zone. Just off the living room, you have sliding patio doors out to a deck with views of Blackcomb and Whistler beyond the trees. Upstairs, there's the master bedroom with walk-in closet and electric fireplace and a second cozy bedroom. Both of these bedrooms share a full bathroom with 2 sinks off the hallway on this level. Down on the lowest level, there are 2 bedrooms, and one of which is slightly smaller and currently is being used as an office. This level also features a large laundry room with plenty of storage space. Outside the home, you'll find 2 dedicated parking stalls right outside your door, along with a tennis and pickleball court and a playground for the kids. And just past the tennis court, you'll find a short path through the woods that takes you to the crosswalk at the highway, so you can easily walk right into Whistler Village to go out skiing or out for dinner and drinks. So what do you think? Could this incredible, fully renovated townhome so close to Whistler Village work for you? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to call or text me for a personal tour at my number below. We'll see you in the next video.